Alright, this is the auction that ended 007. The Winnipeg Jets ended on February 13th at 6:55 6:55 Pacific time. Serial number is 191040800. Alright, and let's go see eBay's official time. eBay's official time is, right now, it's February 14th at 2:06 p.m. Pacific time. Alright. Box. I'll show that unopened. Alright, and serial number there is 191040800. Alright. Good luck, everyone. Let me adjust the camera real quick. Good luck. Box. Pack is unopened. Alright. First one for the Phoenix Coyotes, Mike Smith, number to 299. This second one dropped right here. It's for the Vancouver Canucks, numbered to 299, Kevin Bieksa. Alright. It's for the New York Rangers, Phenoms, Chris Kreider, number 86 to 499. That is for the Nashville Predators. Limited patch, 2-color patch, and Lindbeck. Oh, actually, it's for the Lightnings. Yep, Tampa Bay Lightnings. You can see the logo there, and the back of the logo, Tampa Bay Lightnings. One for the Dallas Stars, Louis Eriksson, number to 99, 15 out of 99. For the Montreal Canadiens, Patrick Roy, trophy winners, numbered 196 to 199. Right. And last is the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog, number 37 to 99. Alright guys, thanks for joining, and we'll see you soon. Bye.